Category 4 hurricane, devastating Central America with days of torrential rain, which left dozens of people dead. Rescue missions are still underway to locate more than 100 people who remain missing.
The situation is very delicate. It's really ugly. The family's lost everything.
Eta is the 12th named storm to impact the west coastline this historically busy hurricane season.
We've seen some storms this season, slow movers and fast movers. This one seems like it's taking forever, Tony.
It's going on 2 weeks now where we've had some sort of circulation from this storm when it started out in the Atlantic. Refuses to go away. We'll show you that satellite and radar composite in just a second. At this point, it's more of a rain concern for Florida than wind, though it may have the potential to reach minimal hurricane strength. Take a look outside, and unfortunately no severe weather around here. We are clear, cool, and dry. To give you an idea of the big temperature difference, Taunton, which topped out at 79 degrees this afternoon, is now 35 degrees colder right now. Boy, what a big difference between the warmth that we had around 2 o'clock this afternoon and how the temperatures have dropped now. So, you know, that theme of unusually warm afternoons and somewhat cool nights will continue. It's clear in Newport. Look at the high temps today, including that 80 in Taunton, 75 the record in Providence. The old record was 74, set back in 1945, 78 in Smithfield, and low 70s today along the coastline. Warm tomorrow. I don't think we get to 75. We're thinking more like 71, 72, but above average. So clouds overnight into early tomorrow morning with a little patchy fog, but overall another warm day with temps running above average, though we do start with clouds early in the morning. Sunshine should win out, and once that happens, at least inland areas away from the coast, topping out in the low 70s. We have rain in the forecast for midweek. Veterans Day Wednesday, but more so for evening and at night, and not so much Wednesday day. And that may spill over into Thursday as well. Pretty quiet across New England. Strong cold front through the Midwest and the Great Lakes. Now this front will approach again Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, and into Thursday, and that'll be our next chance. That mechanism in the atmosphere will set off some rain. All right, there's Eta, Florida Panhandle, South Florida, Gulf of Mexico, and the circulation is right in here. Winds now at 50 miles per hour. It's just kind of drifting to the south, but eventually turning back and moving slowly to the north throughout the week towards the Florida Panhandle by the end of the weekend. So close enough to the Florida Peninsula for some wind and some rain. And some of this moisture well in advance of the storm will try to ride up the coastline with the approach of that cold front, giving us some rain Wednesday night and into Thursday. Here's the cold front, and what it's doing is separating two seasons. Look at this huge temperature contrast right now. Winter across the northern plains, spring and summer like here in the east. We stay in this milder air for a few more days. This cooler or colder air headed our way by the end of the week. We're not talking 25 degrees, but it will be much cooler by Friday and the weekend. Forecast overnight into early tomorrow morning. See some of the clouds along the coastline and some fog early. That does burn off to sunshine, so the sun wins out, and the temperatures peaking around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Lower 70s inland, mid to upper 60s along the coastline. I think the clouds and the fog are more prevalent tomorrow night with higher humidity. So by 11 o'clock tomorrow night, we're mild with clouds and fog redeveloping. So a slow start early tomorrow morning as far as sunshine, but by mid to late morning, it burns off. By 11 a.m., 65. Here we go again, day number 5 of temperatures of 70 or higher, a gorgeous afternoon. Veterans Day Wednesday, we have rain. However, it looks like most of it will fall during the evening and at night. The daylight hours, good news here, will stay dry, breezy, and mild. Showers cooler on Thursday, much cooler, back to normal, back to November, Friday through the weekend with daytime highs in the 50s. Half and half weekend going with some showers on Sunday and temps in the 50s. Another warm day tomorrow afternoon.
The storms down south, and we get beautiful weather here.
What a contrast.
I know. All right. Yeah. Thanksgiving.